Welcome back, guys. Just like I promised you in the last video, I would do the first ever unboxing of these amazing Dragonball works statues. Let's get started. First off, we're going to start off with this unbelievable looking Goku that we see in the last video. It's got amazing details. Little tail. Fly kicking through the air. Next up, we've got a Super Saiyan 2 Gohan. A little bit of blood on his head. Details are sick. Unbelievable. We've got this other Goku. Got this amazing napper. Look at the artwork on him. Looks amazing. With his blaster shooting at his mouth. And we've got Piccolo with his cape stand, cracking his knuckles. Then we've got Vegeta. Blue. And then the best one till last. Look how amazing the detail is on this Goku. Flying through the air, punching. All these muscles whipping. Looks sick. Right, let's get them all stood up. I'll show you them all standing. That's a bad view. Let me know which one's your favourite, guys. Mine's definitely this Goku. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe because it helps support the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.